prediction sa season, nagkaroon po tayo ng mga bagong pyesa tulad ni Evan at saka ni Gio.
Yeah, actually, changing of the guides itong season, not only for our team but also for other teams. So, bro, dami natin makikita pagbabago.
Coach, kung si Gio sa team?
He's doing well. Yung anong gusto ng team na hinahanap natin kay Gio. Sana yung experience na namadala natin na sa North Point. Kasi hanggang quarterfinals lang napupunta ng team. And with this experience, sabi nga namin, sana madala kami sa next level naman.
Sino si Abu Tracker sa Project so far?
With JM, nasa injured list pa namin ngayon. Yun, so sana ma-fill in niya yung spot ni yung toughness sa shaded lane ni yung absence ni JM.
Ilang months po ba si JM?
I think he has 5 more months. So within the baka next conference, pwede na siya. So yun, sana ma-fill in ni Abu yung spot ni JM na nag-rehab pa.
Pero he's here, so parang mag-practice na siya or addition?
Yes. When I asked Abu about this, yung kung nasa 100% na ba siya, sabi niya nasa 80 pa lang siya. So, yun, hindi naman yung toughness pa rin niya. Pero again, siyempre, nasa process of gelling pa rin kami. Not only Abu, but also with the new players we have sa team.
Coach, ano lang pong masasabi niyo sa mga madadala ni Dave sa atin?
Sila? Si Dave? Si Dave, of course, that's our first round pick na. But wala pang final arrangement with him and the team. So, yun, wala pa. But again, yung off-guard, combo guide siya. So, yun ang in-expect namin sana kaya namin siya kinuha. No?
Coach, wala pa siyang, hindi pa napirma.
Wala pang final arrangement with Dave. But what I've heard from the management, they offered yung 2-year maximum contract na for Dave. So we're waiting for Dave na siguro. Wala naman ako narinig sa ganun. Wala pa. Hindi pa.
Pero since nagka-chance na kayo
actually, after the draft day, within that day, nag-usap naman kami via Zoom. But we haven't seen Dave sa court. We're still finalizing siguro yung setup. Wala pa. But again, yun nga narinig ko, the team offered a 2-year maximum contract for them. Pending.